Hi, my name is Maria Munoz. I am part of the Team Steppers for Engineering 6, and I am going to show you a GUI function that we created, market commodity prices from data given to us by our professor. So as you can see here, this is our function, and the first step to make this function work is to choose from either commodity price indices or individual commodity prices. I am going to choose commodity price indices and show you two different products from this right here. As you can see, after we choose that, it gives us a list of the products, and in this case my first example is going to be to analyze the food price index. So as you can see, as soon as we choose that, it gives us a list of years, and these are the years available for the given index, which also means that we only have data. We only have the prices for food from the years 1991 up until 2012. And by choosing the graph I would like to plot, I choose basically what shows up on this plot here on the left, and what I'm going to analyze right now is going to be the prices of a specified month that I will choose versus the years given to us here. So right now I am going to choose a month of June, and it gives me a plot for the prices of the food in the months of June throughout these years, throughout 1991 up until 2012. Okay, for our next case, I will also analyze same commodity price indices, but I am going to choose a different product, in this case fuel. So as you can see, the years available for fuel are 1992 to 2012. Again, these are the years for which we have prices for. I am going to analyze this data by plotting the prices of all the months versus the specified years that I will choose. So as soon as I choose this, it gives me the option of choosing what years I want to plot. And in this case, I'm going to choose a range of years that is within the years available for the data that we have. So I have to choose something between 1992 and 2012. In this case, I will choose 2000 to, let's say, 2010. 2000. Oh, sorry. There we go, 2010. So it plots the data for the prices for fuel throughout all the months, and they all depend on the years that I chose, which is 2000 to 2010. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rahwa, and I'm also a part of the Steppers group. So I'm going to follow up on what Maria just recently explained. So this time I'm choosing individual commodity prices, and so I'm going to choose some kind of index. So how about beef? And so for beef, we have the years available is from 1980 to 2012. So I'm going to choose the third graph since we just previously went over the first two. And I'm going to choose years from in between 1980 to 2012. So how about 1985 to 1987. And so hold on real quick. There we go. So what the bar graphs for the quarter years does is it separates the years into 4 pieces, and so it does the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, the fourth quarter for each year. what we have is on the bar graph there's an average, which is the red line, and then there's a max and the minimum, which is it looks like the standard deviation lines. And then for the next example, I'm going to choose another type of index. So how about soybeans? And so for soybeans, we have the data from 1980 to 2012. And so we're going to choose the next type of graphing, which is the prices of every year for the specified years. And I'm going to choose from 1999 to 2003. So now we have again the bar graph, but this time it's for each year. And so there's an average, which is the red line, and then the maximum and minimum, which are these black lines. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Adriana. I'm also part of the Steppers group for Engineering 6 course. So our program also gives us the ability to estimate or to carry out a future price for a selected item. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and choose an individual product or item so I can see a future price for it. When I go ahead and select it, it's going to give me the months, days, and years, and I can go ahead and choose what day I want to predict the price for a certain month and a certain year. And when I go ahead and do that, it's going to carry out a price for it. So right here is the future price for the item selected, and right below it, since our program is linked to the wall journal, it can show us the current prices for today or for whatever day the program is open. So if I go ahead and open the program tomorrow, it's gonna show tomorrow's prices, but the above predicts the future price. So I can go ahead and select another item. I will go ahead and select aluminum, and like I said, we can go ahead and select a day and a month for whatever year to predict the price for, and it'll pop up right here. And like I said, right below it is current prices for today. So that pretty wraps up what our program can do. Thank you.